Of the title block. Now what you are seeing here, just as I've said, the length from here, from my far right here to down here is 170 and the height is 60 millimeter, 170 millimeter for the length. Now I have successfully divided it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. Okay, then the 5 equal parts is going to be divided into 10 millimeter each. Okay, 10. Okay, thereafter you have to divide in between the 10, half of which is what is 5 millimeter. So I'm going to measure my 5 millimeter in each of the box so that I'll have the center of the 10 millimeter drawn. Okay. Now, after drawing your title block, just as I've said, you need to introduce yourself, your school, your department, your matric number, the title of what you have done, then the person that is taking you. Okay, now the first aspect here, I've said from here, this edge here to this edge is 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter, and you have in between 10 millimeter, if you divide it by 2, you have 5 millimeter. That is the 5 you are having at the center. Then at the edge of where you draw the last line, you need to measure 2 millimeter from the top, 2 millimeter here, then from the bottom 2 millimeter. So automatically you are going to have, if you removed 2 plus 2, make it 4 millimeter, then you are having in between, you are having 6 millimeter left. So the 6 millimeter is what you are going to work on to do your lettering. Now you have seen that the first one is school. The first one here is the school. Okay, you can see the essence of